Church girl is a absent by nama heels.
Hi, see you later. Now guys, the moose says we look up. Wow, I'm standing there like Allah.
Jesus, let me know, but they show no fish. They say you found it, but she's still gonna hold on. They say you found it, but she
Soften up the mess, drop it in the water, let the daughter find her image with the rest. She'll be learning how to breathe, spinning through identity, reveal another pretty little scheme. Save her mind, hold her hand, and don't believe a lie. You understand me. Walk her down the valley, pack a piece of heaven for the bottoms of her feet. Teach her how to jump and how to stretch when she reach, like the angels do, and you gon' make it through now. Tell about the healer, greater is the one within, and call him as the leader. Teach her how to hold a pretty hand up to the sky, and never wait upon the giver, he'll deliver.
Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Nofundo Nyaga, but I go by the name Nofundo Tanda to all my social platforms. If you're new here, please subscribe down below. If you are a returning subby, thank you so much down for the support guys. Today we are going to church. Church girlies are up, Kesana. Christella mode is activated, so let's go.
Like a dealer,
Church girlies are up.
Church girl is a absent by nama heels. Ninga boni ezi nanzi.
Sabo sasazo bokeli guys.
Kusazo kuhlangana nje. Thank you Chami. Imagine heels girl.
Sacrifice. It's not a receiving kingdom. God's communication of love is that He gave. And you read in John chapter 14, verse 12, it says, "Very verily I say unto you," I'm quoting the King James Version here. "Verily, verily I say unto you, he that believeth on me, the works that I do shall he do, also in greater works than these shall he do, because I go unto my Father." And this is Jesus calling us to a greater standard. By no means am I saying
put your hands together. Come
guys, hi. I'm sick. I am so sick. I couldn't even go to church today. I was planning to go to church, as you guys saw, but on Friday I went to church, and then like yesterday there wasn't like a service, so go like a service today, of which I don't understand why, but like so yeah. And today I was supposed to go to church again, but like I couldn't because the time bengekho right bengiyifana manje sengingconywana because sengigezile nga-refresher, and now I'm about to eat and take a medication, but like I'm not okay. Ngine-flu, i-throat yami ibuhlungu, ngiyakhwehlela, like I'm coughing and all of that. Guys, uJesu namhlanje uvukile, has risen, and although I wanted to be at church this time, ngibe khona laphana kwasevula like izwi lokuthi uvukile nananani, but akusenani nala endlini yami uvukile because uvukela yonke indawo. Kubalekile as long as inhliziyo yakho uacknowledge lokho ukuthi uvukile nananani nazo zonke lezo zinto. Guys, I'm very bad with I don't know if I should say preaching or what, but yeah, anyways, so my plan today is to study. Right now I'm drinking my tea. I forgot the name, but like I think I did show you guys Lana. They're taking it from my other classmates. I think it's been a month. Oh my gosh, it's been a month because I've been planning to drink it, and then today usuku. I think it's been because I think nine guys in Bonil if we could tell it, and then that's a lot of admin, okay? So I think you're not being released. So but sengiyimisela ukuthi ngiphuze ukuze ngizobona ukuthi lawenza nomehluko nazo zonke lezi zinto. And I don't know if I've told you guys, I'm waiting for my Jeanway from Shein, and also my long tripod engizokwazi ukuthi ngiyimount kahle, because right now I'm using le yokuthi mengitravel angikwazi ukuyiphatha, of which I am ngiyiboni ingenzela like kahle because of like it's short, yabo. So angikhona ukuthatha ama-angles kahle ngendlela engifuna ngayo and all of that. What else? Yeah, kunye ngizokubona. And yeah, let me drink my tea before it gets cold. Guys, I'll try to sugar because ngifake like I put like lemon. Yeah, I put lemon because I wanted it to add like a flavor, man. I don't know, but still, it does not taste good. It does not taste good. Oh yeah, guys, so I've ordered from Mr. D, so I'm gonna unbox my package from Pick n Pay, and yeah, and make food because I am really hungry. But yeah. Kasi ane body. What's a bad luck? Guys, mind you, it's my first time trying out this meal. I've seen it a lot, like on my Instagram, TikTok, everywhere. Guys, most now like omelette, egg and avocado. Avocado angigila. I think bang avocado that was like still raw. Ubungakovuthwa kahle usakuhlaza usanobuhlaza. So manje ngiyawuvula imina lo ngithi like ngiyawugandaya kanje uqinile angisazi usingisijana. Ngawona ngivele I took it out from the fridge and put it somewhere where is warm for ukuthi ukwazi ukuthi uvuthwe bese I hope ngeke ngikhohle because if ngiyawukhohla uyacabanga usubola. Let me taste ngizwe ukuthi kunjani ke besides ukuthi akubange kusaphuma ngendlela ebengifuna ngayo. Oh, I'm so disappointed, guys. So disappointed, you guys. Okay. I feel bad. I feel bad. I just need to buy those spices, you know, like black pepper, chili, what spice, or oil. Listen to the corn, so good team get to go never fun. And besides, this is my first attempt, so go grandela hopefully to be singing grand. But yeah, man, ngizama ukungena kule nto yokuyi-train ukuthi uma ngifuna ukwenza into ngiyenze. Sengi-serious manje, guys. You will see me going to gym and everything. So yeah, let me do this assignment because it is an assignment. Let me do this assignment, and after that maybe we'll take a break and maybe sending one and make a figure strong again.
I love every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Saying you a bad bitch, put your hands up high, hands up high, hands up high.
Eh? You guys are saying through time, channel. Hi! See you later, Easter. We are no babezelayo. Boga sashoto stane sibili sokushuta lapha silayithini. Sambeni.
Justice, poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to you and you're in the mood for empathy. There's blood in my pen.
Sanibonani emakhaya. I hope you guys are okay. So I'm done for the day. Today was my head is spinning. Uningi ebekade consumer today. So I just wanna rest, you know, take a nap, and then after taking a nap, I'll wake up, organize my things, and start working because I have a lot of work. This time, anyways, guys, I'm doing an unboxing, honey. So I have presents in what I so kulama present laba engizokwenza unboxing ngawo, I have my own gifts that I bought for myself. So yeah, I'm gonna start with it. We got new stickers. Yes, guys. So this is how they look. I love them down. I'm so proud of myself for doing this. I'm so proud. Here we go. Oh guys, please never mind Ngola. I was wearing them today. I couldn't wait. I'm sorry, Amanda. So yeah, this is how they look. They look so gorgeous. They look so gorgeous. I'm in love. So yeah, this is size 5. These are my new kicks, my sneakers. Yes, honey. So that's out of the way. I have another set of new heels. Ooh, from my friends. Then I'm telling my heels. I love them down, honey. And now, please never mind that. Gawa Goga. Wearing them at church. And we've got another gift. Ooh, honey, I love this. This is so neat, child. So guys, this gift is from Ungana Momoya Usibu. I don't know, guys. I wanna show you all. You see? So this is a mirror. This is a mirror. Like the difference is
go over and above. I can prove it, baby, grown enough to know now what you really want.
Did you guys see that? I'm in love, okay? So yeah, this is my mirror. It has this I don't know if I should call it's stand organized. Fold. There we go. You see? So this is like a stand, and yeah, guys. So these are my gifts. I love them so much. Thank you, guys. I'm gonna go to gym later on. I'm finished with the gym. I'm so finished doing it because I look you justifying, look you explain. I'm going to gym. Pelela lap. If I didn't go, futa angas. Now guys, don't move. Says we la futhi. Uyena again. Hello guys, so we have a package from Shein. Let me show you guys what's inside. Okay, so first things first, we have a tripod. We have a tripod, baby. This is like a longer one that I'm going to use when I'm filming, like inside the house or wherever and stuff. Since the other one was like a short one and was within the traveling. Yeah, I'm still gonna figure out how do I mount and all of that. It's nice. It has like a remote thing and stuff. There's a remote thing. And then we have like our headbands. They look cute. Oh my god. The quality. You see? Oh, these are nice. I love them. Oh, sana. I wish there was pink though. I didn't choose that. Hello, Patch! We have a new pouch. Guys, you see like the one I have right now, the white one. So like ingolile, and now it's no longer giving that cleanness vibes. girly vibes, na. So it's angora. It's dirty and I don't know how to clean it. That's why I got myself a new pouch. And I think the putting because of this pouch. It was nice. Oh my god, guys, especially like when I'm at gym or I don't know, this is so cute, child. Like, I mean, yeah, so this is like oh my god. Oh, I'm coming. Alela. Hey! Nanbona Rapaz. I love my gym, really. Wow. Like, what's the reason for me not to go to gym? Like, I love it. So, guys, I got like medium. I got medium because I wanted to like be free, comfortable. I'm loving this. Here we have our gym sneakers. So yeah, guys, oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Say that, Mama. So these are our sneakers, my babe. This is our gym sneakers, my babe. This is the end of my vlog. Thank you for watching. Please comment, like, subscribe, and make sure you press the notification bell to notify you when I post a video, baby. Okay.
Say love me, you put me Chanel. Hey, say love me, you put me Chanel.